This is Kesman 93.3 FM, a new wave of excellence in radio.
Bafcon.
Okay.
Mummy and Kwamon on the Kakra.
I'm on the send in Quano.
Aye.
A classico, a good now, Montes type.
Yamko Kakra.
Well, a Kwame, the classico ne basso at the King Fired Stadium, Saudi Arabia. And the commercial viability and financial reasons, ama tradition be you know, gradually certain teams and then certain federation and association to Niama be because of the COVID situation. Any say the football I know. So be basso the sike barbe supporto and that's all barbe sponge. Now delay and I say stick it to the old tradition or the culture of your liga. Come in, you find yourself wanting. And think suppose a classical of all teams. Yeah, the main Air Clasico a River Plate versus Boca Juniors. Because of hooliganism, any Tokwa, any Chinchanya, these two teams no almost supporters at the point I'll see about the final of the Copa Libertadores at the Santiago Bernabeu. So you'll be a what follow Habiete Basa. Otiasi and Copa La Liga outside Spain. But in 2018-2019, the first time a boss aired the Air Clasico away from home or outside Spain was way back in 1982. Open you say go in the Real Madrid was Vicente del Bosque and Real Madrid winning by a goal to nil. Luis Herrera Campina tournamenta. Kwame omuboy omamo Biama Stadium and Real Madrid winning by a goal to nil. Now in 2018-2019, and Spain Football Federation and the North America for now you say at least Air Clasico within pay the contract or sign on one Air Clasico. Am I real? Now Barcelona are winning by 3 goals to 2. So after 34 years in a second Clasico, you're born outside Spain in Miami. Barcelona are winning. Fast forward. Oh, share the Spanish Super Copa. Previously, it was the runners-up of the Spanish La Liga as against the finalists of the Copa del Rey. And I said, almost somebody the second runner-up in Naka and Omodia Kokopi mo baby. Omondi Saudi Arabia for years and contract and the Coco see 10 years time and so on a come moment in your jai because and then Real Madrid for years car, Barcelona for years car, and the Spanish Football Federation as well needs money. Omobeti media Abua Omulig na man yebeti mi yakoyi because I compare Omo to the Spanish La Liga. Come Omo chim amosikano and so Omo the English Premier League. Omo chim amene ekoya ba be dem bebrebe. So Barcelona now share Real Madrid. No kran nsa na nsa die edin say Barcelona betimi achetimi e Real Madrid. Pay the games on and even this season at the start new camp Real Madrid etimi ba be winning by beating Barcelona by 2-1. So Real Madrid form. Now Shamrantie menu no mujani mone forma. Who see your man so adwuma nkasa ye. How will you stop Vinicius Junior and how will you stop Karim Benzema? Meaning say through games like this play beer try send be kakabia Olympia better than am quality. I've seen Ferran Torres training, I've seen Daniel Alves playing so well and again Mahmoud Dembele so also tries to beat me aye baby and Memphis Depay is back to add up to the Barcelona quality. Into share how Barcelona bell line up. Luis Eric Garcia is available. Abrante Fenjera Piqué Benabo is available. Odiaba is available. But a coin bear now be fast so which say what you are. O best stop Vinicius Junior and then Karim Mustafa Benzema. Meaning say Abrante Ayefeno. The Uruguayan international and an say coach Ayefeni Javi a born on the right backer or make it shot on the best stop Vinicius Junior. But again, you're not stopping only pace, but you are stopping a player and the production line now grow to the level of unlucky decision making to a level of Kwame and the baby what you know he played like an elite, he played like a world class player. The level of confidence Vinicius Junior at the Bobono Kwame didn't so beating us and the game against Valencia was an evident. Nti Dembele wo animu no o make sure say fela me di o man adwuma aye no say make sure say Copa Barcelona track back or double duty or so ye within that particular lane because Vinicius be ye adwuma nkasa was akwan so for Ronald Arroyo a young guy coming up was so solid and on any day so nyane there he will be a tough customer to any forward let's hope so beat me any day. But again, to stop the current Vinicius Junior, the Vinicius Pele, Kwame Ejumanete. Oh, yeah, know about the central defense of Barcelona. Our Adam Force can be go at the sa game we munyomu game until you are looking at Eric Garcia and then Gerard Piqué Bernabeu. Why the best stopper Karim Benzema? The movement, the positional sense, the technique, his ability to hold up and take on defenders. You know, why the betting IS Edgeman? Gerard Piqué comes in with huge experience, but in the form but again, in the Clasico, Olim said the Sibono into a better so betting me a Edgeman. Unyajuma Bebrinya from the right side of the Real Madrid attack. You must have Marcos Asensio are picking up recently, but again, and you been setting. So no one Eden Hazard the BTV start from that particular line. Oh, we are now about to head the battle of Medford. Frankie Dion, Sergio Busquets, and the Nicolas Gonzalez as against the Madrid 3. Luka Modric, Toni Kroos, Casemiro. Casemiro the Obian in the duty. Sit back. Clean the back four, sweep the back four, and make sure you do the mopping work. And allow Toni Kroos to spray the passes. Allow Luka Modric to link up the play, and the playmaking skills on the midfield. So what Nicolas Gonzalez are coming. And also the ability to hold up, pass very well, and again transit in the Barcelona midfield. Frankie de Jong has been on and off. But again, Sergio Busquets at this level, you can always trust him when it comes to the El Clasico. But again, Barca ain't containing Kwa, but again, your ability to stop the 3-man midfield of Real Madrid and see a Juma Kessé. Oh, yeah. Then you go to the Madrid defense. Dandy Carvajal or Lucas Vazquez. When you say, I like to say Lucas Vazquez, and I better start on the right. Fela Mendy brings solidity, brings personality, and it brings close end from the left. So after the current situation of Eder Militao will grow with huge confidence and playing like an elite. What chance opportunity na Carlo Ancelotti Diamano wa grab and so what last week or Piqué ball no the place like the old Gerard Piqué Bernabeu. David Alaba settled into the Madrid team so well and on consider goals, but again he's back and back to the foot. Into Memphis Depay, Ousmane Dembele, Ferran Torres or Gavi. Meaning say Gavi will play. Ansu Fati, I saw him so on a training. But so here the form of Gavi obviously will operate from the left. Abrante Fen Dembele will operate from the right, and it's likely Memphis Depay or Ferran Torres to be in top. We won't police so much threat to the Real Madrid a team no. Won't police so much threat, especially we Abrante FM Ferran Torres coming in and then Memphis Depay. The power any before I'll be playing the goals are not the Barcelona and less any. But again, this Real Madrid defense, apart from Eder Militao, has seen it all. But a game of Kwame will be a try say. The ball no be should be over done the Diamo be answered to me. Carlo Ancelotti has had the better of the two comparatively, and will be Javi airborne El Clasico or expected to obey me and send the signals or an obey me. I'm my Barcelona supporters in the confidence. So we see Javi in some in the presser or see he's playing against the best club in the Spanish La Liga and in Real Madrid. The only thing I also Barcelona here is to stop the two players up front. If they fail to do that, Barcelona will be in trouble. But you know, it's a Real Madrid game, and I tip them so I'm beating me at Barcelona.
Okay.